So today, since I have no videos to think about doing right now, I'm going to be playing with my dog Piper. It is like, what time is it? 5:23 in the morning. And what am I doing up so early? I have nothing to do. So, I am awake right now. There's Piper and Gucci. I have this blue toy. Come here. They're both like, go ahead. Yes. Yeah. Hi. You just got a haircut, didn't you? Ah, jeez. They're both like killer wolves. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I run. Run again! Run again! You see this stuff? Okay. Let's go in the little kitchen. Hi! Now we can see both of you. That's Gucci and that's Pipey. And on your mark. Get set. Go no. Him, he loves like. And go get it. Wait, whoa. Who got it? She got it. She got it. And she's running. Want me to play? She always like. On your mark. Get set. And go. Fun. And coach. Let me help you get it, okay? There we go. Let's help Gucci. Come on, Gooch. Come on. Come on. Let me help you. Oh, that's horrible. She's blocking him. Hi. And what? Okay. I wonder where did he go? Oh. Oh. Okay, well that's all for today. Hope you guys loved my videos, and please subscribe if you haven't to Klutzy Cutie.